How does the palace view the dismissal of pork barrel scam cases versus Senator Revilla?
Well, he was accorded his day in court and the prosecution failed to prove his guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Ganyan po talaga ang sistema ng katarungan natin sa Pilipinas. Ang mga akusado po ay presumed innocent until proven otherwise.
How will this affect daw po, if at all, the government's anti-corruption drive?
Wala naman pong epekto dyan dahil patuloy po ang pagtuliksa ng ating presidente at pagsisante ng ating presidente sa mga kurakot sa gobyerno. And the president has repeatedly said na dito sa natitirang isang taon sa kanyang termino, igugugol niya ito para labanan ng korupsyon.
Some LGUs daw po are concerned about allowing the entry of fully vaccinated leisure travelers without a swab test. La Union, for instance, said fully vaccinated individuals can enter the province but not those who will come for leisure or tours. Do LGUs have the option of requiring COVID tests for a certain group such as leisure travelers?
When the IATF issues po mga resolutions, it acts for and in behalf of the President, pero hindi naman po bingi ang IATF sa mga reklamo at mga suhestyon ng lokal na pamahalaan. Pag-uusapan din po yan sa IATF, but we ask everyone to comply with IATF resolutions as of now.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.